Hello, a short video to show you how to make your pitch on socialchallenges.eu. There are only 3 steps. First, tell us who you are. That means you've got to create your personal profile. Then tell us about your organization, which means you've got to create your organization's profile. And thirdly, you make your pitch. So let's get started. First step, register to the site. Anywhere on the site you'll find the login/register button up on the top there. That will take you to this page. On the left you can log in if you have an account, but if you're a new user, let's imagine you are, you've got to use the form on the right. Put in your email address, choose a password, confirm it. You can optionally subscribe to the newsletter at this point if you want to. You can also change that later. Click on Create Account. What will happen next is you should receive an email where you will be asked to confirm that you do in fact own that email address. If you don't find that email, first check your spam folder. If not, then you can go back to the site and ask to resend the email. Now that you've confirmed your account, you can log in. So click on Login Register and use the form on the left. Put in your email and your password and click Login. Now that will take you to your user menu. When you're logged in, you can get here anytime by clicking on My Account at the top of the page. This gives you access to the platform. So let's imagine I'm in the Angers area of France and I decide to get involved there. So I'll click on Get Involved right here. That will take me to my user menu for this place, in this case Angers. And the first thing I need to do is to create my public profile in this place. So I click on that button. The form is quite straightforward. Put in your name, your last name, write a text about yourself, choose a photograph to serve as your avatar. Couple of fields I'd like to mention. The first one is role. If you are aiming to make a pitch to a challenge, you should choose entrepreneur at this stage. And then organization. Here, if somebody from your organization already has created a profile, you simply join it by selecting it from the drop-down. If not, you type the name of your organization. Let me show you. Here's my personal profile, which I'm creating in the city of Angers. My name is Matthew Lowry. Here's some text about me. There's my photograph. I'm from Belgium. I'm Mr. I might choose entrepreneur. And here all of the organizations which already have profiles in the city of Angers, but my organization is not among them, so I'm going to create it. My innovative company. And I can choose my various profiles. I have to tick this box and hit Submit Profile. When we launched this platform, you had to wait for your public profile to be approved, but no longer. You should immediately receive an email because your public profile goes live straight away, which means you can go straight on to the next step. And that next step is, of course, to create your organization's profile. So let's log back in. And as you can see, not only can I edit my public profile in this place, but it sees the name of the organization I added to my profile. And as that organization didn't exist, I can now create a profile of it. So let's click on that button. It's another straightforward form. The organization's name is already there. You can give it a logo, give it the website, of course. Choose Solution Provider for role. The abstract is optional, but it's a very good idea to make a brief summary of your organization, just a few words. And then you can provide a lot more information in the description, including adding images, links, videos, and using some basic formatting. Ignore access to finance, that's for other sorts of organizations. As for adding people, you will automatically be added to this organization. You will in fact be its editor. But you'll be able to add other people to this organization later on if they also join the platform. So let's quickly create a company, show what I'm doing. choose a logo, put in a URL. I'm going to be a solution provider, an abstract. I'll use the meta group description here. That will do. And submit. So there's my organization, there's the logo, a bit of information about me, a link to my personal profile, a link to the website of the organization, and I can edit it here. Here I am at my account. I'll click on the user menu for this place. I could now submit a pitch to any of the challenges in this place. So a pitch is pretty much the same sort of form. Give your pitch a title, an abstract, a one-page summary. That's going to be public. You can have a main image, which is going to be displayed large on the website. You can also include other images in your description using this button. Now, you can upload up to 3 documents, one of which must be this one. Go to FAQ and you'll find the link here. Okay? So the link is in the tip here. One of these 3 documents must be that. All 3 of these documents are not going to be public. They will be viewed only by the jury. And then you can create the pitch. Now here I'll just flip back to PowerPoint. Very important point here. Here I am making my pitch. You can create your pitch and you can edit and save it and edit and save it right up until the deadline. When the pitch deadline arrives, your pitch will be automatically submitted. So you won't miss the deadline. If you delete your pitch, it's gone. But you can keep working on it until the deadline. And then it will be submitted for you. And then you will have made your pitch. So good luck, and we look forward to seeing your ideas on the platform.